Good morning, students. Let us see one very interesting example given in your textbook, page number 63, related to nth term of an AP. Now, here you can see Kabir's mother keeps a record of his height on each birthday, right? So, here when Kabir was 1 year old, his height was 70 centimeter. So related to our concept of nth term, here T1 will be 70. T1, that is, when the child was 1 year old, his height was 70 centimeter. Okay. Now, at 2 years, his height was 80 centimeter. That is T2 is 80 centimeter. And 3 years, his height was 90 centimeter. That is T3 is 90 centimeter. Okay. Now, his aunt Meera, she was studying in 10th class. And quickly, because she has understood the concept of arithmetic progression, she quickly said that Kabir's height grows in arithmetic progression. Now, why she said that? Just you check here. First, T1 is, that is the first term is 70. Second term is 80. Third term is 90. That is when the child was 1 year old, 70 is the height. 2 years old, 80 is the height. 3 years old, 90 is the height. So what she said, that his height grows in AP. AP means arithmetic progression, means she is able to find that particular number, right? The common difference between any two consecutive terms is constant. Quickly you see. Here 70. 70 plus 10, 80. 80 plus 10, 90. 90 plus 10, 100, and it will go like that. So she quickly calculated his height at the age of 15 years because she understood the concept of AP. Now, after she calculated, see here, after she calculated the height at the age of 15, she was shocked to find it. Now, why she was shocked? You too assume that Kabir grows in AP. Okay, so assume that Kabir grows in AP and find out his height at the age of 15 years. So what we will do to find out his height at the age of 15 years? Here T1 is equal to 70. That is A is equal to T1 is equal to 70. Okay. And to find the, what you do? T2 minus T1, which is equal to 80 minus 70, which is equal to 10. Okay. Now we can apply our formula. We have studied the formula nth term. Nth term is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. Now here, what they have given, at the age of 15 you have to find his height. So it is T15, that is n is 15. Means when he is 15 years old, what is his height? So here A is 70 plus n is 15 minus 1 into D is 10. Okay, so now you do the calculation. 70 plus 15 minus 1, 14 into 10, which is equal to 70 plus, according to the BODMAS rule, first you should do multiplication. 14 into 10, 140. 140 plus 70 will be 210. So, when Kabir will be 15 years old, his height will be 210 centimeter. Okay, so his aunt Meera was shocked that when he will be 15 years old, his height will be 210. So this is the way you should understand the concept of nth term of an AP. Okay, a very interesting example. You can conclude by writing the statement. Therefore, at the age of 15 years, Kabir's height will be 210 centimeter. Okay.